Today I'm gonna make slime. So I have this glue and this DIY rainbow slime activator with some glitter. It's so cute, seriously. Color of your choice. So my daughter really loves purple, so I'm making purple slime today. Okay, first of all I'm taking 2 teaspoons of this glue. So it's 2 teaspoons of glue. I'm adding a little glitter and color of your choice. So here I've added color and glitter. Mix really well before adding activator. So now I'm adding activator. Now mix really well and just look at this slime. It's so pretty and it's ready. If you like this video, share with your friends and kids. Please subscribe my channel, like this video. Take care.